Let's imagine that you're on a diet. You're doing diet right now, and it's night, and you don't want to eat anything at night. But your sister or brother ordered a pizza at night, and he or she wants to make you eat the pizza. And they know that you're on a diet. So they put the pizza right in front of your nose. Hey, do you want some pizza? What's that? How do you feel? But you can't eat because you make a promise to yourself. You're on a diet, you can't eat the pizza, but your siblings put the pizza right in front of you.
I think I will start to diet to next month.
Maybe angry, and maybe you want to eat pizza.